boy stood on the platform in 1917, waiting for a train to Salisbury Plain. They were only in their teens. A lad to his mother said in a fret, "We'll be home by Christmas Day." And the piper played Scotland the Brave as he waved the boys away. Calling down the line, calling down the line, and they rallied round to the piper's tune. It was calling down the line. The sergeant major pushed them hard. They were trained in only days for to bear the brunt of the Western Front. They would soon be on their way. So off they marched, rifle shoulder high, and all at once they sang, "For we're no war to bide a war," to the pipers in the band. Calling down the line, calling down the line, and they rallied round to the piper's tune. It was calling down the line. The thunder echoed through the trench as the shells had been rained, and the general spent 1,000 men for every inch they gained. And the brave young men faced their battle dawn, so proud to do their job, and the pipers stood in a line of fire and played them o'er the top. Calling down the line, calling down the line, and they rallied round to the piper's tune. It was calling down the line. When no man's land fell silent, and they counted all the dead, the victory claimed would disguise the shame, and nothing more was said. And the fallen brave on a foreign field, they gave the very best, and the piper played a sad lament as they laid the boys to rest. Calling down the line, calling down the line, and they rallied round to the piper's tune. It was calling down the line. Calling down the line, calling down the line, and they rallied round to the piper's tune. It was calling down the line. And they rallied round to the piper's tune. It was calling down the